I want to welcome you all and thank you very much for joining me in this YouTube video. This video, guys, is about a $3 stock, and if you're interested in a $3 stock that could possibly maybe do 100% gains, then you'll want to watch this YouTube video. But at the same time, I will tell you from the beginning of this video that this 100% gains are not going to come today or tomorrow or next week. This is a 2025 play. Keep that in mind. And with that being said, let's go. So if you are new to this channel and you just checked it out, this is a very bullish channel. All right. So I want to warn you, I'm not a bearish channel. I don't, look at it as the drama and the end of the world and all this stuff. No, I believe, personally speaking, for me, after studying really hard the book called The Intelligent Investor, reading it over, I've read it 3 times and I want to read it again and again even more. I am a firm believer, just like Warren Buffett, no matter the market conditions, we can find something that's worth investing in. So if you want stock ideas that might be, maybe, I don't know, after you do your own homework, there might be a good buy, then subscribe to this channel. Here's some examples. Rocket Lab at $3.85 was my YouTube video, and Rocket Lab right now in pre-market is trading at $10.24. I did a YouTube video for Oracle calling it a must long-term hold. I'm not letting this go. It's gonna go to my retirement portfolio. It was 68 bucks, guys. Oracle right now, guys, is $168. I did a YouTube video for Ticketsimo AUR at $2.64, let's say $2.66. It is now at $6.01. I did a YouTube video for Gap recently at $19.42, and Gap right now is $21.45. I've also done a YouTube video for Tiptree TIPT at 14. It's now $19.47. I've done a YouTube video for JD.com. It was just about a month ago at $26.08. 26, I repeat, and 8 cents. I called it a buy. And today it is $42.69 in pre-market, all within 30 days. Please also note that I talked about most of these stocks at even lower prices at my Discord. So if you want to join us, the link will be in the description of the video or in the comment section of this video. Now, the stock that I will talk to you about in this video that we're gonna look at right now is Grab Holdings Limited. We've been talking about this on my Discord for quite a while, but never really made the move yet into this stock. But I think right now is a good time. What has changed right now and why is it a good time? Because the trend towards break even and profitability is getting so close. We're just really close to that.
And we're expecting second half to be not strong, but also more stronger than the first half, if you ask me. And July was very strong for us. So second half is traditionally, there's a lot more travelers in Southeast Asia itself, and the airports are very busy. The traveler segment is a critical part of our business today.
Back in 2023, in my Discord, I was asked by one member about Grab. And then early 2024, for me to finally reach a conclusion on February 9th of 2024 this year, that at $3.32, basically, it should be time to buy. Also on April 16, 2024 in the Discord, I did tell them that in 2025, I believe that Grab might be and most likely will be going towards profitability. And I also said back on April of this year that I think Grab is going to be a great 2025 play. So Grab Holdings Limited, guys, engages in the provision of super apps, and they're primarily in Cambodia, Indonesia, Malaysia, Myanmar, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, Vietnam. The company offers basically Southeast Asia. The company offers its Grab ecosystem, which is a single platform with super apps for driver and merchant partners, consumers, for mobility, delivery, digital financial fintech services, and much more. We live in a world where everything's dependent online, right? The internet, our phones primarily. And if we can do everything or most of the things that are things that we often do in our lives, and we can do it through the phone, through one app, everything in there, that's amazing. Like, think about, for example, PayPal. It doesn't do everything, but it does offer plenty of services, and that's what made PayPal so popular through the years. One of the users yesterday posted a picture showing the different offerings the different services the Grab offers on its app. Even if you search for the company on Google search results, the search results come out, and then you see this. What does the company say before you even click on it? The Everyday Everything app. So here's a breakdown in detail what they offer. If you want to have food delivered to your home, then you can do it through the Grab app. If you want supermarket shopping and have that stuff like Instacart, for example, so you want to shop online for supermarket products and have them delivered to your home, you can do that through the Grab app. Sending packages from home to home, business to business. You want to order your taxi to come pick you up, you can do that through the app. You can do payments, cashless secure payments, insurance, hotels, gift cards, and rewards. Everything.
And what we're seeing is demand actually is very strong in Southeast Asia. If you look at the second quarter, we were taken back by the number of people just using all our fundamental products, whether it's the rides, 2 wheels, 4 wheels, whether it's food delivery. It was strong. If you look at the number of transactions, it was up 22% year over year. And we're also continuing to push affordable products, but also products on the higher upper segment.
Also, there's something very interesting. In my Discord, I offer dark pool, which basically shows us what the elites are buying at the dark pool exchange, which is actually legal. There is a separate exchange from the stock market called dark pool, but we don't know who they're anonymous, actually, and protected by law. Anyways, but we do have access to it. We don't know who bought, but we do know what they bought. And we see recently, September 25th, 2024, there were nearly 2.5 million shares bought of Grab at $3.78. Now, like I said, it's at $3.88 now. It's gone up already. So somebody spent $9.4 million. Again, 9.4, again, 9.4, and $5.5 million at $3.67. Also, $8 million at $3.60. So over on the dark pool, they're actually very bullish in Grab because so far, all these dark pool buys I just showed you are pretty much all the latest dark pool activity in for Grab, and there's no selling, just buying. Let's look at the 13F filings, which is also a good indicator to see what's going on with a stock. And when we're looking at the 13F filings for Grab, we can see that since Q4 of 2021 going to Q2 of 2024, the total filings, 13F filings, including Grab in their holdings, is constantly increasing. Some of the biggest investors in Grab is SB Investment Advisors with 401 million shares, Morgan Stanley with 198 million shares, MUFG Bank with 142 million, Wellington Management with 109 million, BlackRock with 97 million, Invesco with 55, Tiger with 92 million. The latest earnings that Grab had wasn't actually bad at all. They had a GAAP EPS of negative 0.01 cent in line, which, by the way, okay, fine, you might say, well, that's negative earnings per share. It's 0.01 cent, guys, and they're getting really close. Actually, management said we're headed for break even and profitability in 2025. The revenue was $664 million, up 17.1% year over year, missed by 12 million, meaning that the analysts wanted more, but whatever, it was still up 17.1% year over year. The on-demand grew 13% year over year, or 18% on a constant currency basis. Adjusted EBITDA improved by 81 million, and cash liquidity, guys, total 5.6 billion. Much higher than the 5.3 billion before. Now we're gonna start looking at numbers to understand what is going on, and why, looking at the balance sheet, we can understand that this company is actually very interesting. The outlook for 2024 is pretty cool. The revenue, guys, is going to be $2.7 to $2.75 billion, or 14 to 17% higher year over year. Revenue, guys, is growing since 2020 at a massive pace, ending at $2.5 billion. Like I said, this year we're going to end at $2.75 billion. Gross profit is finally on the positive side since 2023. The Grab EBIT, what is EBIT, guys? It's net income plus interest plus taxes, right? And that equals your EBIT. You see how it's going towards break even. Cash and short-term investments at $4.9 billion. So they got, if they need money, they got up to $4.9 billion already immediately. Total assets at $8.4 billion. Their total debt is just $295 million. I take a big look at that and consider that as a super, super positive, guys. The Grab net cash is at $4.63 billion. The net income is going towards break-even and profitability. And the free cash flow has gone to profitability, has gone to the positive side at $478 million. Price targets for analysts are $3, $4.75, and a high of $6 within the next 12 months. Okay, so to put it all into a final conclusion, why I like Grab. I believe it is an amazing international diversification play. You heard me say this before, a portfolio should be diversified and it shouldn't be just US stocks. The company is growing users at a rapid pace. It is becoming and is the #1 company in the Southeast Asia region for the all-in-one app. You know, everyone goes to that to do pretty much everything. The cost control, low debt, headed towards break even, possibly, more than likely, possibly according to management, profitability in 2025. And interest rates going down also is a huge headwind for the company. I basically see a lot of growth for this company going forward, and I think that the stock is trading relatively cheap. It's not overvalued. I think it's fairly priced, and so I think it is a good investment right now. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this stock. Don't invest in this stock based on my YouTube video or because I am bullish on it. Invest only if you do your own due diligence, your own homework, separate from my opinion and my video, right? And you know, if you come up with the decision that you think is a buy, fine. If you think it's not a buy, let me know in the comment section below why. I would be very open to opinions. Thank you very much, everyone. Don't forget you can sign up to my Discord. I wish you all the best and take care.